Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I'm going to short little video on how to draw like a child's or a kid, young boy's badge, sheriff badge with these circles on top. Just through the years of things I've learned or the way I used to do it, I'm going to take a star. And to do this right, you have to start with a 6-sided star or 8 and hit P and then change it to 5. That way that 5 is in the center. Then take your star, your little circle, and Control D to duplicate it, and then alternate C to rotate it 72 degrees, and you have that star. Then you could go and weld it. But through learning more and some new tools in Corel, we have object to path. So we'll go to object to path. Now you want to always select your object first and then shift select your path. Center, origin. We don't need to do anything else with rotation because it's a round item. And there's 5. We've already got one, so we're going to say 4. So in that length of time, I did the same thing without any duplication, and it's a pretty cool tool. Just always remember, you would think you go, well, I need 5 of them. Well, it's going to mess it up because you've already got, and somehow Corel's doing this by length of path. So it looks funny, but it's probably correct. So just always remember, when Corel in any of their, even the transformation docker, if it says duplicate, they're meaning they're taking the original one and using it. That's a object to path is a really good, cool tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.